Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Orca Brainrot animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large curve over to the left and bring it down. Then at the bottom, let's curve it out and back in. And then bring it over to the right side, stopping here. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw the fin with a curve up. And curve it back down. Now we're going to hop in near the bottom here and let's draw the next fin with a curve inside. Then let's curve it down from both ends. And let's leave it open at the bottom. Now to continue the body, at the top, let's draw a long curve down and bring it out. And then at the bottom, next to the fin, let's curve it over. And then let's curve it down and out. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw another angle. And then curve it over to the right. Now at the end, let's draw the tail. On top, let's draw a curve up. And then a curve down at the bottom. Now from both ends, let's bring it in towards the center with a wavy line like this. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the eye. Inside on the left here, let's draw a curve. And another one underneath. Now let's add a small circle inside. And color the rest of the eye in black. Now next to the eye, we're going to draw the pattern on the head by drawing a curve over and then curve it back in. Now we're going to hop underneath. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a wavy line across and add a small curve up. Now let's curve it over to the right. And then let's bring it down with a wavy line. Now let's continue this line on the other side of the fin by bringing it up and over. And curve it back over to the left underneath. And that's it for the body. Now let's move underneath on the left and we're going to draw one more fin with a curve down and then a wavy line next to it. Now underneath each of the fins, let's draw the shoes. Let's start underneath the middle fin and let's draw the first shoe by drawing a curve on an angle and then curve it up and in on the right side. Now next to it, let's add another curve down. And then bring it down for the back of the shoe. Now let's hop back over to the left and let's bring it over and down. Now to close off the bottom, let's curve it over, stopping here. And one more bump along the back. Now that we have the shape of the first shoe, let's do the same thing underneath each of the other fins. Now that we have the shape of the shoes, let's move in and let's draw the details. At the bottom, let's draw the soles of the shoes by drawing two curves in the same way. Now let's hop up and we're going to draw an angled line and bring it up at the ends. And then inside this top section, let's draw some curved lines for the shoelaces. Now let's hop underneath, and in the middle section, let's draw the Nike swoosh with two curves up and over. Now behind the swoosh, let's draw a line down, then next to it on the left, let's draw a wavy line down like this. And then on the left, let's curve it down and over to the toe of the shoes. And that's it for this brainrot animal. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!